We have 4 events. There are 2 on the Nevada side where we are. Sandy's going to walk out here, take a look. It's really one of those places where you have an original and a unique view from the basic
Inside Hoover Dam.
It's a unique view. So the attic, we're going to walk up and take a picture come back. Now I'm classed with 6 somebody who will please watch your head. They just kind of be if you don't want to come out, you don't have to, of course.
I want to come out. Go for it. Thank you.
You don't want to go?
He's like, I want to run.
I'm going to run and jump.
Yeah.
Hey, I was thinking about bungee jumping off that bridge one of these days. Just because it's so much fun. Ooh, this is a low ceiling. I see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Don't go into the light!
No! Sorry. I get a rope. Oh, some sort of thing to go down into. Water pipes.
Don't look down, as they always say.
Alright, I guess I have to wait my turn, guys.
We definitely didn't do this one.
No.
You're not going to do the upside down.
Let's do the bungee jump. Hey, that's a Circus Hotel in Las Vegas. They have a bungee jump. Yeah, and it's only 230 feet.
This would be much better.
Yeah, that's true. Because if we fall in the water. We don't fall on concrete, right?
At least falling in water is the same thing as falling in concrete.
Yeah, that's true too. Imagine doing a belly flop. You wouldn't live.
No, you would not live.
Right? I know, right? Sorry. Ow. Hit myself. So, walking towards the light. At the end of the tunnel. Oh yeah, see that's the tunnel. This is a ventilation shaft. See? Very cool. Oh yeah. It's all curved.
I think I like the picture that day.
There's the Memorial Bridge up there. Oh, sorry. Colorado River. There's the power plant. That building down there is where we were just in. If you enjoyed this one, maybe one last video before I leave. Bye-bye.